0.4 divided by 2 plus 2.4 for resistors in parallel when there are 2. Okay, for more, check my previous lessons on resistors. So we have Rp2 is equals to, viewers, let's find the equivalent resistance of this circuit, that is Rxy. This Rxy, that is Rxy. Solution. Rxy is same as R total, which is same as R effective. Okay, that is the effective resistance of this circuit. Alright, first we have to consider R3 and R4 because they are in parallel. Okay, Rp1 is equal to R3 parallel R4. This is 4 times 6 divided by 4 plus 6. This is 24 over 10. So R parallel 1 or R3 4 is equal to 24 over 10, which is 2.4 ohms. Let's redraw this circuit again. So we can have so here is still our R1, here is still our R5, this is our R2, but this is our Rp1 or R34. Okay, good. Alright, so remember the values here. The values here is 2 ohms. Remember, it is ohms. Here is 3 ohms. Here is 4 ohms. Okay, this R2 and Rp1, they are also in parallel. So I can have Rp2 is equal to R2 parallel Rp1. This is equal to 2 parallel 2.4. This is the 2 multiplied by 2.4 divided by 2 plus 2.4. Okay, sorry. So this is same as 2 times 2.4 divided by 2 plus 2.4 for resistors in parallel when there are 2. Okay, for more, check my previous lessons on resistors. So we have Rp2 is equals to, so 2 times 2.4, you have 4.8 divided by 2 plus 2.4, 4.4. So we have 1.09, okay, approximately 1.1 ohms. Alright, now these two parallel resistors will now be in series with this R1 and R5. You can have it here. Let's redraw it here. We have something like this. Okay, so we can now have here Rp2. Then here now is our R1. Here is our R5. So our R1, remember, is 3 ohms. Here is 1.1 ohms. And here is 6 ohms. X, this is our Y. So what we are now going to have, so RT or Rxy will be R1 plus Rp2 plus R5. Okay, because they are now in series connection. Okay, series connection. So we are now having Rxy is equals to 3 plus 1.1 plus 6 ohms. This will give us 10.1 ohms. Okay, approximately 10 ohms. So Rxy equals 10.1 ohms. Now solve this. Now if Vxy is equal to 6 volts, find I. find I using Ohm's law. Okay, find I using Ohm's law or the IS or IXY. So if the voltage across this point is 6 volts, find the value of the current IT. Okay, so IT equals dash. Share in the comment section. Thank you. For more on equivalent resistance, please check my previous lessons or my playlist.